Are you struggling with deteriorating eyesight or constantly worried about protecting your vision? In today's video, we're going to uncover 6 powerful herbs that can protect your eyes and even repair your vision. Stick around to learn how these natural remedies can make a significant difference in your eye health. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea boasts potential benefits for eye health due to its rich content of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Age-related macular degeneration (AMD) is a leading cause of vision loss in the elderly and adults. Studies show that antioxidants in green tea, especially catechins such as epiglucotecan gallate, EGCG, may help protect against AMD by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. Green tea may help improve tear quality by increasing tear production and stabilizing the tear film, potentially providing relief for dry eye symptoms. Glaucoma is an eye disease that damages the optic nerve. Some research suggests that green tea consumption may be associated with a lower risk of glaucoma, although more studies are needed. Although green tea offers potential benefits, it is important to consume it in moderation. Aim for 2 to 3 cups, 500-750 ml, daily to stay within safe limits. Due to its caffeine content, excessive consumption can cause side effects such as anxiety, insomnia, and upset stomach. Consult your doctor. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, including green tea consumption. It is important to remember that green tea is not a cure for any eye disease and should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle for optimal eye health. If you experience eye problems, consult your ophthalmologist for proper diagnosis and treatment. Number 2. Marigold. Marigolds, also known as pot marigolds, have been traditionally used in various cultures for their medicinal properties. Although research is still ongoing, some studies have suggested potential benefits for eye health, thanks to the presence of specific nutrients, lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids act as antioxidants, protecting the eye from harmful free radicals. They are also found in the macula, a central part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision. Studies have shown that consuming high doses of lutein and zeaxanthin can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. It is important to note that more research is needed to confirm the effectiveness of marigolds for specific eye conditions and to determine optimal dosage and consumption methods. Currently, there are no established guidelines for the consumption of marigolds, specifically for eye health. Marigolds are not usually consumed directly. These can be toxic if ingested in large amounts. Marigold supplements are available, but their safety and effectiveness for eye health have not yet been fully established. It is important to consult a healthcare professional before considering any marigold supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can advise you on the potential risks and benefits based on your individual situation. Number 3. Gotu kola. Gotu kola, also known as Centella asiatica, is a leafy green plant native to Southeast Asia. Although traditionally used in various cultures for wound healing, cognitive enhancement, and other purposes, there is limited scientific evidence to support its effectiveness for any health condition, including eye health. One study suggests that Gotu kola extract may help prevent vision impairment by stimulating the production of rhodopsin, a protein essential for night vision, in the retina. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings and determine the safety and effectiveness of Gotu kola for eye health. Currently, there are no established recommendations for consuming Gotu kola for any health condition, including eye health. It is important to consult a healthcare professional before using Gotu kola, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. It is important to note that Gotu kola may interact with some medications and may not be suitable for everyone. Pregnant and lactating women and people with liver or kidney disease should avoid using Gotu kola. Number 4. Red raspberries. Here's how red raspberries benefit eye health, along with consumption recommendations. Benefits of red raspberry for eye health. Red raspberries contain powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants protect the eyes from harmful free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to age-related eye conditions. Zeaxanthin in raspberries acts as a filter for harmful blue light, possibly reducing the risk of AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in the elderly. The antioxidants and vitamins in raspberries can also help protect against other eye diseases, such as cataracts and glaucoma. A cup of fresh raspberries provides essential nutrients for eye health. Include raspberries in your diet regularly. Aim to include them in your meals or snacks several times a week. You can enjoy raspberries in several ways. Fresh as a snack. Add to yogurt or oatmeal. In smoothies. In the salad. Although raspberries provide excellent eye health benefits, it is important to maintain a balanced diet and an overall healthy lifestyle. Contact your doctor or eye specialist for personalized advice on how to protect your eye health. Number 5. Burdock root. Burdock root is especially beneficial for eye health. While burdock root contains antioxidants and other potentially health-promoting compounds, more research is needed to determine its effectiveness for a specific health condition, including eye health. It is important to note that burdock root may interact with some medications and may not be suitable for everyone. If you're considering taking burdock root, it's important to talk to your doctor first to discuss the potential risks and benefits. Here are some potential health benefits of burdock root that may be relevant for eye health. Burdock root contains antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can contribute to the development of various health conditions, including age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Burdock root may have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially beneficial for conditions such as dry eye disease. It is important to consult a healthcare professional before taking burdock root or any other herbal supplement, as they may interact with some medications and may not be suitable for everyone. Additionally, the dosage and safety of burdock root may vary depending on the individual and the form in which it is taken. It is important to follow the advice of a healthcare professional to ensure safe and appropriate use. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric, the vibrant yellow spice commonly found in curries and other dishes, promises to promote eye health. Its potential benefits stem from a key compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric can fight inflammation. Inflammation plays a role in various eye conditions, such as dry eye disease, uveitis, and diabetic retinopathy. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate these conditions and potentially slow their progression. Free radicals produced by the body's natural processes and environmental factors can damage eye cells and contribute to age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Curcumin's antioxidant properties can help combat this damage and protect eye cells. Curcumin may help improve blood circulation, potentially benefiting conditions such as glaucoma, where adequate blood flow to the optic nerve is critical. The optimal dose of turmeric for eye health has not yet been determined. However, most studies have used doses ranging from 250 ml to 8 g per day. You can consume turmeric in several ways. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to curries, fries, or vegetables. Consult your doctor before taking any supplement, especially if you have any medical conditions or are taking medications. Turmeric milk. This popular drink combines turmeric with milk, black pepper to increase curcumin absorption, and other spices like ginger and cinnamon. It is important to remember that turmeric is not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you have any concerns about your eye health, consult an ophthalmologist or ophthalmologist for proper diagnosis and guidance. By incorporating these 6 herbs into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps towards protecting your eyes and improving your vision naturally. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on natural health remedies. Thank you for watching.